Almost 100 representatives from various agencies in Cebu joined the recent multi-sectoral consultative briefing on the demonetization program of Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. The participants are from the transport, telecommunications, media, academe, banking, and retailing sectors and from government line agencies. The forum aims to spread the word on when the old banknotes or the new design series will no longer be acceptable.
Kung hindi po ninyo napagpalit during that time period, collector's item na lang po yun.
According to BSP, the old banknotes or NDS are still of legal tender this year, which means this can still be used for any transaction. Next year, in 2016, this will no longer be accepted, but they can still be exchanged for new generation currencies or NGC until December 2016. In 2017, these old notes will no longer be considered legal tender nor acceptable for any transaction. On the other hand, BSP stressed the importance to change the banknotes which have been used for the last 30 years. It has become easy for counterfeiters to imitate them. NGC contains state-of-the-art security features that will make it difficult for forgers to fake the banknotes. From Philippine Information Agency, Joshua Carbonilli, CTU DevCom Intern, ICB.